Okay, this is Taylor Atkins again, and now I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to demonstrate translations, rotations, and reflections using concrete models. And I'm going to use geoboards with some rubber bands, and then I'm also going to use a pattern block just so you have more of a concrete object to look at to help you tell the difference between the three. Okay, first what I'm going to do, this is my shape. That's always going to be my original shape, this triangle right here. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how to translate this shape into another quadrant. So this is my original shape, and to translate it, which also means just to slide, so I'm going to want to move this shape here over to here. The shape is still going to stay the same. So what it is if I do this and create a triangle over here, this is considered to be a translation or a slide because it was here, this triangle, and all I did was slide it over into that quadrant. If it changed directions, you have to keep it the same shape, because if it changed and it moved like this, then it wouldn't be considered a translation. Okay. So now I'm going to take this one off and just go back to our original shape, and I'm going to teach you what a rotation is. So this is our original shape, and to rotate it, what I want it to do is be here, and then it needs to rotate. This one's going to rotate clockwise, so to rotate it, it would end up like this. So I need to create a shape that looks like this over here. And to do that, I'm going to put the rubber band here and then stretch it out over there. And now a rotation is also known as a turn, so it just kind of starts here, and then you turn it, and it ends up looking like this. So that is an example of a rotation. Last, I'm going to show you a reflection, and this is probably the easiest of the three. So here's our original triangle, and I'm going to reflect it into the bottom quadrants. So to make a reflection, which is also just like a mirror image, so this is going to pretend like this line right here is our mirror. So to make it identical to the bottom, you would have to just do this. So if you were looking in a mirror, you would get identical pictures.